So my name is Andrew Heneisen. I'm the manager of repair and warranty and supply chain at Frontier Airlines. I was in the Army as a warrant officer, Chinook pilot. I joined later in life when I was 26 years old, and I got selected for flight. It was a really hard opportunity to turn down. I had 10 years prior experience in commercial aviation, so it was just an opportunity to go serve, and I jumped on it. Being a warrant officer in the Army, it really gave me the people skills to succeed in civilian business. So we were mentors for enlisted personnel. So that type of mentorship status kind of gave me the ability and the experience of how to deal with particularly younger people and help in their career expansion. Over the last year, Frontier Airlines has been reaching out to military transition organizations, trying to create a pipeline of candidates that are coming out of the military directly into commercial aviation. So we like to expand upon those resources to further enable recent veterans and invite them into Frontier Airlines. What I like most about Frontier is the fact that there's so many opportunities here as far as coming up with ideas such as a Veterans Day appreciation breakfast that I never get told no. Nobody ever tells me no, you can't do that. If it's a good idea and you have the resources and the desire to make something happen, they allow you the opportunity to make that happen.